Lactose intolerance affects up to 65% of the adult population worldwide. That is huge. So we thought it was about time we tried a lactose-free yogurt in our Luvele Pure Plus yogurt maker. It's good to know that most of our homemade yogurts are already really low in lactose. During fermentation, the bacteria breaks down the lactose, making it much easier on the gut. And that's why we recommend the longer fermentation for SCD and GAPS diets. Today we're just going to use a store-bought lactose-free milk, which has nearly the same texture, taste, and nutrient content as normal milk. We're going to pair that with a non-dairy yogurt starter. It's really important that we sterilize all of our equipment before we start, so that we're not introducing any bad bacteria to our yogurt. We'll start by adding 2 litres of store-bought lactose-free milk, or however much your yogurt container will hold, into a pot. We're going to heat the milk to around 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and then hold the milk at that temperature for around 10 minutes. This helps to denature the milk proteins, which then thickens the yogurt. Don't get too caught up trying to hold the precise temperature. If the milk begins to simmer, just reduce the heat and continue. Once you're done, remove the milk from the heat and let it cool. The milk needs to cool to below 42 degrees Celsius because temperatures above 43 degrees will kill the yogurt starter culture. Once it's cooled down, pour it into your yogurt container. We're using the 2 litre Pure Plus glass jar. Next, add your non-dairy starter culture. We're using one 3-gram sachet of the Yo Gourmet non-dairy starter, which you can purchase from the Luvele website. Give it a whisk into the milk and then place the lid on the jar. Place the glass jar into the Pure Plus base and then fill the water bath up to the tall line indicator located on the inside wall. Place the cover on and you're ready to punch in the temperature and fermentation time settings. Set your temperature to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit and the time to between 12 and 24 hours. Then press confirm to start the incubation. After the fermentation is complete, switch the yogurt maker off. Condensation will collect under the cover of the lid, so take care removing it and allow the water to drip back into the bath. There's no need to stir the yogurt, just place it into the fridge to set for at least 6 hours. This delicious, thick and creamy lactose-free yogurt is full of gut-healing probiotics. Loads of our customers have told us how much they love their homemade yogurt and the benefits they're noticing from it. So if you're lactose intolerant, you should definitely give this a try or share the love with someone who is. Share this video, or better yet, make them a batch to try. So that's it. Stay tuned for more Luvele Life recipes. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.